Hello and welcome back to this training. Welcome to this section of this training, and I hope you have watched my previous video. And if you have done that, this is the next video on this course. So in this part of training, I'm going to be designing a full website with you. I'm going to be showing you the process of getting a website fully designed and functional, okay? So, and I hope by now you would have gotten your hosting plan and you have already installed some plugins like I showed you in the previous videos. Alright, so we're just going to get started. I'm going to show you step by step on how to get your website up and running. Okay. So, and if you have not gotten your hosting yet, just follow the link around the description of this video and get your hosting. You can also watch my previous video to follow the process. You can go to www.raygoz.com/hosting. Okay, that's my affiliate link. If you use it, I get some few commissions. Alright, that's by the way. So having installed your WordPress, you're going to land on a dashboard like this, and your own might be a little bit different from mine, but this is basically all it is. So I'm just going to go through some few things again before we now start the actual designing. Okay, just some few setups in case you missed out in the last one. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at theme that we're going to be using for this training. So I go to appearance here, themes. So the theme that we're going to be using is called Ocean WP. Okay, so you can see it's already active and installed. Now if yours is not installed yet, what you're simply going to do is just come here and you see add new theme. You click on this. So once this loads up, you click popular, then you're going to search Ocean WP. You're going to see it somewhere around here. Okay, you can see it's activated and is already installed. So in your own case, it will come up like this. You're going to see install, then after which you click activate. Okay, we've done this in the previous video, so it's not really new to us. Then there are also plugins that comes with it, Elementor plugin and WP Forms and Ocean Extra. So you can begin to install plugins here, or you just come over here, plugins, add new, then here you search Elementor. Okay, so you can see Elementor page builder is already active. So in your own case, you see it installed now. So just click install and activate it. Alright, so having done that, we are set to just start designing our website. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is, our website is just blank right now. If you want to look at it, it's still very much blank. So you can see there's nothing here on the website. So we're going to start. Now I've added some pages already here: home, about, contact, and services. I already showed you how to add pages, but let me just go over that again, just in case you don't know how to do that. To add pages, just come over to this dashboard here, pages, add new. Okay, then you click the title of the page. Let's just say blog. Okay, let me just add blog. Now I'm gonna publish this and publish. Okay, so you can see this page has been added. Now let's look at our website, what it is there. I'm sure it's not going to appear because I've not added it to the menu. You can see it's not showing here yet, but it's part of our page. So for it to show up this place, I'm going to add it to a menu. So let me show you how to do that right away. So I go back to my dashboard and I click customize the site. Then I come over to menus. Okay, I can create a new menu if I don't have any menu already, Well, I have a main menu already, currently set as top bar. So I click on that. Then you can see my pages have already been added to my menu. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click add items. Okay, so you can see this is where I add them from. So now my blog is appearing here on my page. So once I click this, it has been added. That was the same way I added these other ones here too when you create a page. So now what I just need to do is I click publish. Now let's visit our site again. Boom. So you can see I have home, about, contact us, services, and blog. Okay, that's great. We're doing fine. So one more thing I want to do before we start designing is I want to set our home page to be our home page, and probably set our blog page to be where our post will come out. Okay, so I go to customize here. So I come here to home page settings. Alright, so now on your own it might be showing your latest posts. Okay, so I want it to be a static page. I want every time someone visits my homepage, let it show my homepage, not something like this. You can see this has already changed now. I want it to be a static page. So now the homepage, I want it to be home. I can choose something else here, but I want it to be home. So I choose home here, and then for my post page, I want my post to be going to my blog, so I'm going to select blog here. So each time I do a blog, it's going to appear on my blog site. Okay, so I'm going to publish that. Now, depending on the version of the WordPress you're using at this point in time, this is the latest because my WordPress has been updated, so there might be a little bit differences. So, but I want to change something here, general options here. You see, I don't want my pages to be writing home or about. I don't want my page title to be showing, so I'm going to remove that here. It might be shown on your own, so this is just where to remove it. If you come here, it will be at default. So when it's at default, you find out that whenever you visit home, you will see something like this. You see it home, and this does not look professional. Okay, so you don't want this to be showing. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it at hidden. Okay, so that's how to remove that. Right, I hope you are following up with this tutorial. Alright, all things set up. So now let's go straight to designing our website. Okay, we have done the setups and everything is set. So let's just go straight to start designing the pages now. Come over here to pages, all pages. So the first page that I want to edit is our home page, which is our front page. So I'm going to click here, edit, just click on the page. You can click edit with Elementor because I want to go straight to start editing it with Elementor. Now this loads up. So this is our page here. This is the Elementor widget. So here we have so many options. We can drag this, drag right heading, inner section, insert image, text editor, video buttons, a whole lot of things that we can do with this. Okay, and here we can add sections, and you can actually upload templates. So when we want to add sections, it can be one full section, stuff like this, as much as we want. Let me just show you an example and add a section here. Now I have these two sections here, so I can add another one, maybe something like this. So I have 4 sections I can edit. Alright, so but I don't want to use this method. Now let me try to add templates. Okay, so I click this. Now Elementor already has lots of templates that we can choose. So we can choose any one, maybe something like this, something like this, something like this. Just play around. You can choose any template of your choice. There are some that you need to buy, like this one that has Pro, but the ones that does not have Pro, they are free to use. So maybe let me just say I like this one, I can just insert this. Boom, you can see I have a full-fledged website now, very beautiful looking. Okay, now I can just edit some stuff here. I can place a video here, how to make a website. I can start editing. I can just say how to create a beautiful website, and that's that. So I can just change things here. I can change this. Okay, start a free trial. I can just say start designing now. Good. So with this, it's just a drag and drop technique. Who is it for? I can change anything here. I can just play around with this and design it to my own tastes. So you can see our team. Let's assume I was designing for a company or something like that. Then I can just put the pictures here, maybe the CEO, the MD, and stuff like that. Just change up things and play around. Okay, change images, title it any way I want, and make it look how I want it. This is a method I can use. I can do this also on another page. This is my home page. I can go to about page and just do the same thing. But sometimes you don't want to import a full template like this because it doesn't give you the freedom to make your website look exactly how you want it to look. So I'm going to be showing you another way that we can do this, and what we're going to be doing, we're going to be adding sections, different sections that we can edit and make them look exactly how we want our website to look. So now let's take off these things here. I don't really want these things here. Let's take them out. Take all these places out. Take this section out. Take this one out too. Okay, so now I have back to my default page now. So I want to add sections. So let me do this. Add templates. And I go to my templates. Now I already have some templates that I uploaded. Now let me show you how to upload some templates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to visit a website called tyler.com. tyler.com. Now you can see on this page what I just need is I go to view templates. These are different categories already categorized, so you can choose different templates here. So let's see, let me go to headers and heroes and show you some things here. So you can see this is a template, this is a template, this is another template, this is a different one, just different sections, not really full page. Okay, so I can just select any one of my choice here depending on how I want a particular section to look like. Let me check page 2. There are lots of different pages here. I think thousands of different templates here. Cases, R2. Wow, beautiful templates. So let's just say I want to go with this one or this one here. I can just go with anyone. Let's assume I want to download this. What I'm going to do is I'll click on it. Then what I'm going to see is download template. So I click download. You can see it's downloaded. Okay, so I just open up where it is. Show in folder. Yours might download a different way. So mine downloads straight to my downloads folder. So I can just cut this out and then come to a folder in my desktop that I named template, you can just create a new folder on your desktop, name it anything that you want. That's where you keep your templates. Okay, so I have a folder there called templates. Just open it up and I'm just going to paste it. You can see I already have a P4 there, so I just say replace the file. Okay, that's that. So this is how you're going to download templates. So you can download any template of your choice here. Okay, you can download different templates of your choice. So just to carry along with this particular training, I'm going to be downloading some templates here. So I'm just going to mention the names. Let me go back to page 1 here. So I'm going to download V1 here. So you can just download that. Then on page 2, I'm going to download this one here, P4. Okay, that's for our home page. I'm trying to design our home page. Then I come to clients and testimonials. I'm going to download Q4. So I'm going to download Q3 and then download P4. Okay, yeah, so just these ones here. Okay, so you can just choose any one. Okay, so I've just shown you the procedure on how to do that. So after downloading these templates, any one of your choice that you like, so I'm just going to come back to my Elementor. Okay, then my templates, I click insert. You can see I already inserted these ones here. So let me just show you how to insert. I go to import templates, select file, then it takes me to a page, desktop templates. I can just check any folders, but you know how to do this. Okay, so I go to my desktop, then select that folder where I saved in my templates. So I can just choose any one, let's say P4 here, and just open it. Okay, so it's here. So you can see I have this and this together, so I can just delete one here. Now I'm going to insert these templates into my page so I can start editing them. So I'm going to select V1 here, insert V1, click yes. Okay, so you can see it's showing me something like this. I don't want to see this. I don't want this to appear. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and page layouts. I'm going to edit it and change it to Elementor full weight. Okay, yeah, so I can have my full page to edit. Now I come here, add another template. So I'm going to take P4. Let me add another one. Start Q4. Let me add another one. Then testimonials. Okay. Okay, having done all of that, so I'm just going to change my page layout to Elementor full width once again. Okay, great. So you can see how we're doing this. So now I have a beautiful website like this, depending on my tastes and depending on my choice of templates. So I can just play around with the templates. Okay, can I do this? Let's call this creating beautiful websites. Okay, you can say we build the best websites in the world. Of course, we do that. Okay, so we can change things here, and then I just want to show you something. You can see on the background, you can see a video that is playing. Now you can change this video at the background. Now see how we're going to be able to do that. So when I click on this section, choose styles. Okay, so you can see background type. I have video here. I can change it to something else. Gradient. Okay, you can change it to classic. Just choose an image, or just choose a video. So what I'm going to do is, you can see this video, I can get a video from YouTube and just insert on it. So let me just search for a YouTube video. Let me just search for GoPro Hero 6. I can just take this one, or take any of them. Let me just take this one. What I'm going to do, I just copy the link here and then come back to my page and paste it here. Okay, so I just paste it here and click update. Wow, beautiful. So you can see what we have on the background here. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So you can see how we do this. So we now have a beautiful video at background there playing on our website. Okay, so you can see we have a beautiful video playing on the background there. So we can change it to any video of our choice. You can just put anything. I just search that one just to show you. So now let me see what it's going to look like on a mobile. Okay, let's preview it on a mobile. You click here and you see where it is on a mobile. Okay, so still looking nice here. Alright, so come back to my desktop view. Alright, now sometimes this video might not load up in your page, and if it doesn't load up on your page, it might just be blank and the visitor might not like the outlook. So there's what we call background fallback. So we can set the background fallback. Okay, set an image here, select files. Okay, maybe you already have an image on your phone, or you just let me check my media library if I have something there I can use. Maybe I can just use this image as a fallback. Okay, or this one here. Then I insert it. Okay, that's should in case this video does not load up on time, so we can have this other background here showing. Alright, so I hope you got that. So let's just keep going down and changing up things here. We can change this, can remove this, give it something else. So I wouldn't just want to bore you with a lot of things here. I guess you are getting the concept. Okay, so I can change anything, change whatever I want, edit, and edit these parts, edit everything here. Okay, let me take a look at it and see what it looks like on mobile phone again. So everything's looking nice. Okay, so we can just do some stuff here like spacing, you know, padding, and a whole lot of things, hover color. These are just things you can just play around. Okay, I hope you're getting the concept of what we're doing. So I can edit any parts, edit to my own choice and my own tastes. Okay, so we're good with this, with our home page. Okay, creating beautiful website. We built the website, the best website in the whole world, and you can say start designing now. Let's give it that, start designing now. Start designing now. Okay, now we can change the color of that button. Okay, you can change the text color, you can change the background color. Let's change the background color to something maybe blue. Okay, so we're done with this. Now let's go and edit our about page. About. Okay, I'll click edit with Elementor. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to download some templates. So I click my templates. Okay, I don't want to use any templates here, so I'm going to go to imports. Then before that, maybe I come over to tyler.com once again, and let me look for some beautiful templates that I like. Okay, I like this one, Z1, maybe this one, V5. Okay, so here I'm going to select file here. So I'm going to take this one. I think I want to take this one first, V5. Alright, so I want to stretch all my sections. Okay, so you can see I have an About Us page, and it's really looking nice. So I can just remove this part here and just delete this section. Okay, so I can just change a lot of things here. Change this image. I already showed you how to do this, and change the write-ups, and just repeat the same processes and change up things here. Change up my write-up and stuff like that. So with this now, you can design any page of your choice. Designing is all about your own tastes and how you want it to look. So I've just shown you the procedures and what you can do, what is possible. Alright, so the last part I just want to talk about is the contact us page. So I'm just going to update this and just leave it like this. I just want to show you something on the contact us page, and we're going to wrap it up with this section of the training. So with this, I believe you can be able to design any website that you want to at your own convenient time, with your own convenient taste, so you know where to get the resources. Okay, now one more thing I want to share with you is if you want to get some images that you want to put on your website without having copyright issues, just go to pixabay.com. Let me type it in the search box here, Pixabay, so you can see, and just look for any image here, maybe computers, something like that. So you can download any image here and use without copyright issues. So let's maybe take this one. I like this kids here. Okay, let's go to free download. Yeah, download free. You can see that that's the image there downloaded. So you can use image from these websites for free on your website. Okay, now having shared that with you, let's try to design our contact page now. Okay, I want to show you how to use the contact form so that people can contact you. I'm going to go to pages and go to contact us. Go back to edit with Elementor. So let me import some templates too. Go to my templates, import, and I go to tyler.com. So let me just take this one here, K5. So let me just import some templates for my contact page. So you just go to tyler.com, download any of your choice, template of your choice. So I downloaded K5 from contacts. I'm going to import that. So the next page that we're going to be designing is our contact page, and to do that, I'm just going to install a plugin first of all, which enable us to create our contact page so that when people send emails to us, it can get to us, or can receive it and then give them feedback. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add new plugin. I already showed you how to add this plugin in the previous video, but if you did not understand that, maybe I'm going to show it to you again. So I'm going to search contact form. Okay, contact form 7. So you can do this, install this. You can also use this one, but for this tutorial we're just going to use this one. So I'm going to install it. And then activate it. Okay. Alright, so it is activated here. So let me just go to the settings. So this is our contact form, and this is our shortcode here, which we're going to be using. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can change the settings, edit it. Let's edit it. So here is the important part, okay? Your mail here, you're going to change it to your own email address here. Alright? Then it always show your address here. So but the important thing, you're going to change this mail to your own email and save that, okay? So let me just save that. So this is how my form is going to look like. Submit and all that, okay? So we're going to be using this shortcode here, okay? We're going to be needing this shortcode here, so let me just copy that. Copy that. So now I come to pages here. And this is contacts. Let me edit that. Okay, so my default, I'm going to change the template of this contact us. I'm going to change it to Elementor full width, okay? Because I don't want it to be showing me those blog posts and the rest of it, okay? So I'm going to change it to Elementor full width, update it here. Then I'm going to edit with Elementor, okay? Great, so I have full width here for my contact page. So I'm also going to insert templates as we used to do. So you already know the procedures. Just go to tyler.com, select any template, maybe check the contact tab, select any template of your choice. So I already have some templates. I go to my templates. So I want to import some templates here. Probably let me use this one here. So my page layout here, I'm going to select Elementor full width. Okay, I don't want this to show. Now here I can change things here. Just say visit our main office, and just change up things here. Change phone number, and then our email address probably. Then use Google to locate where we are. Okay, now I want to add a section. Let me just add one section. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit that section. Okay, now here I'm going to edit it. So I come here. Remember I copied the shortcode before, so I just go down. I'm going to see something like shortcode. Yeah, take this, place it inside of it, and then paste my shortcode. Okay, so I'm going to enter my shortcode here, paste it here, then apply. Great, so you can see that. Okay, that's looking awesome right now. So I can update this map to be from Google. Just update it from Google map showing our own area, and just change things here to my numbers and email address, which you can do. And then you see people can send their email, their name, their email, right? Submit, then write whatever they want to write and send to us, and can be able to receive it on an email and be able to reply to them. Okay, So maybe this is taking a whole page and I don't want it to take a whole page, so I can just make it boxed. Okay, and reduce the width. Okay, I see it's increasing now. I can just reduce it a little bit. Okay, and there's that. I hope you're getting this, and I hope you're getting some value already from this training, and we can add another template here, make it look more beautiful, and just change things up here. So I just wanted to show you how you can add that contact form to your contact page. And with this, we have been able to build a beautiful website. So now let's take a look at our website and see what it looks like. So I go back to dashboard here. Go back to dashboard. Now I want to visit my site. Let's take a look at our site and see what it looks like. So I visit the website now. Boom. So we have a beautiful website. Okay, you can see that. Now I can check out my pages. Got my about page. Looking great. Okay. Contact us. That's that. You can make your own website to look even much more beautiful than this. This is a tutorial and I just wanted to get the procedures on what to do and how to do it. Okay. And I hope you have gotten some value from this. So let me just open a new tab. Of course, I want this tab to be in incognito mode so that, okay, let me just check our website now, fgi.app. Great. So you can see I'm no longer logged in. It doesn't show as if I'm logged in, just opening as a normal website. So this is what I've been able to build. Rigorous Consult and Enterprises, about page. You can view it here. Okay. Good. I've changed some things here if we wanted to. Alright guys, so this is how we wrap it up for this training section. If you have more questions, you can reach out to me through my email. I can assist you with anything that you need. And I hope you have gotten some value from this training. And you can now go out there and begin to design your own websites, not just for yourself, for businesses, and get paid for designing websites for them. This is what you can do within a couple of hours. You can build beautiful websites for businesses and charge them for it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this training. I might see you guys in my next trainings. Okay, bye for now.